Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see how to set up Tailwind CSS V4 project. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you guys all the steps easily and effortlessly. Okay, so you will be able to create your first Tailwind CSS project. Okay, that is V4 project. So for that, first you need guys VS. Okay, so you need to download this guys, that is VS code. Okay, which is IDE we are going to use to write a code. Okay, so just download it guys first download from Windows, and after downloading, just how we use the process, like to install any software like next, you use that process only and just install that. Okay, so first needed is VS code, then we want Node.js guys. Okay, so this also you need to download guys, that is Node.js. So download it and install it in your PC. Okay, you can use the latest version LTS, or you can use the current version guys, that is here. Okay, you can use this also, or try to use LTS only, don't use current version. Okay, LTS only 22, this you can use and download. Okay, download for Windows, and same process here also, just install it Node.js. Okay, and after installing you can check that in command prompt guys, whether it is installed or not by using node version. Okay, so if it is installed, it will tell the version. So you can see it is installed already, so it is showing me the version. Okay, okay, after this guys, what we will do, we'll create one folder on desktop. Okay, so here on desktop, create one folder like first Tailwind CSS V4 project. Okay, so like this, we are giving the name. So first we're creating, and just open it with VS Code. Okay, so I'm opening it with VS Code because already installed. Now you can open with VS Code guys. Okay, so it is installed now, sorry, it is open now. I trust the author, I'll do. Okay, then after this what we will do guys, we'll go in Tailwind CSS documents. So just go in Tailwind CSS guys here. Okay, Tailwind CSS, so open this file, that is tailwindcss.com. Okay, after this you can start from get started, or you can go in documents guys. Okay, so I'm in documents, and you can see the version guys, I'm using version 4.1. Okay, so it is a Tailwind 4.1 version. Why it is not opening? Okay, it is open guys, you can see. So here the Tailwind documentation is this. So we are installing guys, that is Tailwind CLI. Okay, so this we are installing. So before that, what we will do guys, before this we'll you need to open the terminal guys here, and here I'll select the command prompt. Okay, so here we need to install, that is npm init. Okay, so it will generate package.json file guys here. So the package name is asking, I'll enter, I'll enter, I'll enter, I'll enter. Just come on, enter. Okay, yes. Okay, you can see guys, it is installed now, package.json. Okay, so here it is installed. Then later what we'll do guys, just go here. Okay, just come here, and then you can see guys, here there are commands which we need to follow. Okay, so first copy it, that is this terminal, just copy it and just paste it here guys. Okay, so it will install the Tailwind CLI. So you can see as it is installing. Okay, you can see as here we got node module files, and even we got a package on dot, sorry, package log.json file. Okay, and if you go in package.json, you can see as here our Tailwind CSS, that is 4.1 version installed, and even though Tailwind CLI also it is installed guys here. Okay, so both have we have installed now. And one more thing, I'll tell you later, that first we'll finish it. Okay, so you can see it's here also I'm getting the files. Okay, later what we will do guys, after this we'll go in documentation first. Okay, then see, we need to create one source file, in that we need to add this input.css. So just copy it, go here, and here we'll create one folder guys, that is source folder. Okay, we have created, in this we need to create one file, that is what is the name. It's going. Okay, so the name is input.css. Okay guys, we'll do this. So just create here input.css. So we have created, guys, and here we need to import this, guys, that is Tailwind. Okay, so I'm importing this here. Okay, so this is done. The next step is what? So next step, guys, we need to create one more file, that is index.html. Okay, so I'll copy this code, guys, and we'll go in our code, and in source folder only you can see, guys, here in source only we need to create index.html. Okay, so I'm creating here only, that is index.html. Okay, so I created and just paste it here. Okay, this is also done. And you can see, guys, here there is one more file, that is output.css. Okay, this also we need to do. So for that, what we need to do, guys, just go in these documents and just copy this, guys. Okay, this is the output.css file, just copy it. I'm copying, and just go here and just paste it here and just run this file, guys. You can see, guys, here we'll get one output.css file. Okay, you can see, guys, we got one output.css file. You can see here there is an css. Okay, so we got this file. Okay, so this is done, guys. Fine. Then later just go here, guys, in extension and just check for live server. If it is not installed, guys, just install this live server. So I'm coming here in live server, so you can see you can install here. So in my PC it is already installed, guys, so it is showing me uninstall. Just you install it, guys, in your PC. And one more you can install, guys, that is Tailwind Intelligence. CSS intelligence. What it will do, guys, it will give the auto suggestion. You can see it will give like this auto suggestion. So that also you can add. Okay, so you can install. So in my PC it is already installed, guys. Okay, so it is showing like this. Okay, now we are in this, guys. So to run this, I have to I have to open it with live server. So I'm opening it with live server. So now you can see, guys, there is hello world we are getting. Okay, I'm getting hello world. So what I'll do, guys, here we'll add one bg color, background color. So we'll see, you can see, guys, I'm getting the suggestion here. Okay, so I'll add this and we'll see the output now. You can see, guys, it is changed now. Okay, so background color has been changed. Suppose if you want different, like if you want green, so we'll see, guys, whether it will change. Okay, you can see, guys, we got a green color. Okay, so the color is applying, guys, on this. Okay, so one more thing, guys, this output.css, guys, if you go here, this every time we need to run this. Okay, so for that, what we'll do is, in this, in package.json, just add here, guys, that is dev file, and in this just add this command, guys. Okay, just copy it and add it here. Okay, so now you see, guys, I'll close it and I'll delete it. Okay, now I'll run it, that is npm run dev. Okay, dev is nothing but this, guys. Okay, just run it and you can see, guys, here we'll get output file. You see, guys, we got the output file, and if you see the output, you can see, guys, output is not changed. Okay, so like this you can add, guys, this output, this like here if you add, not there, no need to install every time, so it will be installed with this only while we run. Okay, and one more thing is, you can change the name also. For example, you can see here there is a source output. Okay, so I can change the name as well. So suppose if I make it style, because output is not good, we know the styles and all, right? So I will add styles.css. so here also I have to change, that is I have to make styles.css. Okay, now we'll see, guys, you can see, guys, it is running. So if I go here, if I change this color to red, you can see, guys, the color is changing. Okay, so it is applying, guys. And one more, guys, here also I have to change, that is styles. Okay, okay, so like this, guys, you can do, that is you can install Tailwind CSS V4 and you can create a project, guys. Okay, so I hope you got this, how to do. Suppose if I have question, if you did not got anything, then, guys, you can comment in comment box. And if you're liking my videos, then, guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting.